In this video, we will guide you through answering question 11 of the PIP2 form. It is important to note that the PIP2 form cannot be completed online. It must be a paper form that is sent to you from the DWP. For more information on how to get this form, contact Dash on 020 884 88319. In this part of the form, they are going to ask you about your ability to mix with other people. This means how well you are able to get on with other people, understand how they're behaving towards you, and behave appropriately to them. This includes both people you know well and people you don't know. Question 11A is a tick box question. Question 11A asks if you need help to mix with other people. This can include encouragement or reassurance from another person, or if you need help to understand how people are behaving towards you. Please tick yes if your condition affects your ability to mix with other people and continue with question 11, or tick no and move on to the next question. Question 11B allows you to go into more detail and elaborate more on how your condition or disability affects your ability to mix with other people. In this section, you can include the type of help you need. When answering this question, think about what you experience when you mix with other people. Underneath the question, there are bullet points that help you to answer this question. Use this to your advantage to ensure that you include as much detail as you can, as the more detail you include, the better understanding the DWP will have of how your condition or disability affects your daily life. If you downplay or exaggerate your condition, it could have a negative impact on your application. If you need any further assistance with the completion of this form, please contact Dash on 020 884 88319, or alternatively, email them at info@dash.org.uk.